Let's face it, training can be boring. It's difficult to demo complex software products and keep learners engaged without getting hands-on with the actual product. It's time-consuming and risky to set up training environments for live workshops or large-scale events. So much can go wrong. In this video, we'll show you how Instruqt can take your training experience to the next level without all the barriers. Let's get started. When we launch an Instruqt track, it automatically provisions an environment with all the tools and code that are needed to complete the challenge. This interface is customizable to fit your product's needs. On the left, you'll provide users with the tabs they need to complete their training. In this example, we provide the user with a terminal, code editor, and a web application. On the right, the instructions panel will guide users through each task. These instructions are customizable with basic Markdown and can be broken down into sections to make it easy to follow along. The green check button at the bottom right means we've added a check to verify that the user completed the tasks successfully. Hints can be added and will appear if the task is done incorrectly. Real-time validation gives your training an interactive, gamified experience and encourages learning by doing. Checks are an optional feature and can be written in any scripting language you like. If no check is in place, a green Next button will move you to the next challenge. So you've created your training, now it's time to share it. Invites to your content can be shared with a link or embedded directly in a web page. It's that simple. Invites are completely customizable to your needs. You simply add the details and select which tracks you want the users to complete. Instruqt provides options for how long users can access the content and how many times they can access it. Invites also contain access settings which allow you to choose between anonymous link access, gated content with a form, or limiting to specific people or domains. These options provide control of who is accessing your content and fuel data-driven performance tracking. When it comes to preparing your environments for an event or workshop, consider creating a hot start. A hot start creates a pool of sandboxes that are instantly available when a learner starts a track. This gives peace of mind that your attendees won't be left behind waiting for their environment to load. With a hot start, the workshop environment is ready to go when you need it, and any number of users can start up their labs instantly. The Instruqt Live Events dashboard allows you to interactively manage live workshops and instructor-led training from start to finish. Once an attendee clicks on the invite link, they are brought to the content page. They can view details of the tracks and simply click Start to begin. From the live event dashboard, the instructor will see instantly when attendees have clicked the invite link and joined the session. This dashboard shows live data on who has joined, who started the content, how much time is spent on each track, and who has completed it. Individual data and progress is logged in real time, giving the instructor the ability to keep tabs on learner engagement and interact with any number of learners with ease. If someone is struggling with a task, you can jump directly into their sandbox and make live changes within their environment. This interactive approach provides a one-on-one learning experience for a workshop of any scale. All actions completed within Instruqt are captured as events. Instruqt provides comprehensive monitoring and analytics, enabling you to track progress, identify strengths, and address areas for improvement. Not only can you see how many users are connecting, but it can also be broken down by play perspective, individual user progress and activity, whether checks were completed or failed, and any feedback provided. Detailed reporting can be filtered and customized to your needs, exported to a CSV format, or can be fed into the CRM of your choice. This detailed data tracking will save you time when identifying strengths in your content, allowing you to easily adjust and create a successful training experience.